evening, sir.
Good evening. Which class you are studying?
I'm studying in 10th standard. My name is Gayatri Mohan.
10th standard.
Yes, sir.
Next year, what subject you will take?
I wish to take Biomax.
Why bio?
I'm interested in biology and
Biology, or you want to become a doctor?
my ambition is to become, I want to study more on aerospace engineering.
You are become a life scientist, right?
Yes.
Very good girl. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So my question to you is, a journey from Rameshwaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan is indeed a great achievement which no one can think of.
You are giving a lecture now. What's the question?
Sir, I would like to hear from you a few tips for the upcoming generation to succeed in life.
Well, succeeding life, I have already told you.
Yes, sir.
You have to do 4 things, okay? Number 1, repeat with me. Number 1, you repeat.
Number 1,
Great aim.
great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will
I will
continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
continuously acquire knowledge.
Oh, I will do hard work.
I will do hard work.
I will persevere
I will persevere
and succeed.
and succeed.
Okay, that's the mantra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, you can go. You can go. You can go. Yes, that's all. Nobody else. Nobody else. Stop. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Go ahead.
Sir, I am Jobin. I study in 7th standard from Kangodia UBS Perurkada. My question: at present, what are the major strengths and weaknesses of our
Your
India?
mic. Can you keep the mic like this? Like this. Keep distance. Slowly speak. Speak now. You are a good fellow. Yes.
Sir, I am poor English. Study in Malayalam medium.
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറ.
At present, what are the major strengths and weaknesses of our India?
What are the
Major strengths
major strength? What are the major strength of India
and weakness of our India?
and weakness? Fantastic boy. What class you are studying?
7th standard.
7th standard. Okay. Now, strength of India. What the major strength of India? You guys. That is 600 million youth. Major strength of India, 600 million youth. Okay?
Okay.
So the youth, repeat with me, ignited mind, all of you, ignited mind
United mind
of the youth
of the youth
is the most powerful resource
is what
on the earth,
on the earth,
above the earth,
about the earth,
under the earth.
under the earth.
You said, what is the weakness of India? Weakness of India. What is the weakness of India? Weakness of India, without vision, a nation dies without vision. You must have a vision, okay? Great vision.
Thank you,
okay?
sir.
Great vision. You can go. You can go. Again, addition. I will answer only 5 more guys, okay?
Good evening, sir.
Uh,
I am Krishnita KB, representing Sri Vivekananda Memorial Public School. Let me put forth my question.
your mic, you are putting in your mouth distance. Yes.
Among all your valuable accomplishments, which do you consider as outstanding as a space scientist and as the President of India?
Well, I personally believe I always value as a teacher. I am a teacher. When my student got a PhD, that was the greatest happiness for me. Okay. Okay. Next. You can go. You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Give the mic and go. What's your name?
Vishnu Dinakajit.
Which class you are studying?
5th.
5th. What is your dream?
My dream is to become an IAS officer.
IAS officer. Okay. Tell me, you are a smart fellow. You are a smart boy, smart boy. As a IAS, when you become IAS fellow, what will you do to the country? You say what I am saying, okay? As an IAS officer, repeat with me. As an
IAS officer,
I will
I will
remove the corruption.
remove the corruption.
Okay. Now, what's your question?
My question is that,
Eh.
sir, can you say a few words to the new generation who are ignorant of the human values like love, compassion, and gratitude?
Can you say a few words on love, compassion, and gratitude? Okay. Now, love emanates from parents. That cannot be valued. No value. It may be millions of rupees also you cannot buy. It comes from parent, father, mother. Okay. That's why today you took a oath. What is the oath you took? I will make my mother happy. You are taken.